Sometimes, guys, you get the police. You know, this one I think is the air ambulance. Yeah, sometimes you get the police. Wow. Sometimes you get the cops. You know, but I think this one is the air ambulance, guys. Yeah, this one is air ambulance. It seems like it's stuck in. Yeah, this one like it's like it's coming down. Maybe it's not. No, we don't get them at the hospital here, the Vic. Probably in Preston. Probably they're gonna stop in Preston. Because Preston is bigger. Is that his dog? No, 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 it's not his dog. Oh, he's got his stuff in there. All right, he's got his things there. Like his gear and that. How you doing, mate? You good? YouTube, yeah.